Hi, Charles King Sadler with King Garden. At King Garden, we bring beauty and health to your landscape. At King Garden, we focus on the health and beauty of the landscape. By doing that, we create beautiful gardens that succeed, that live up to their full potential. For a garden to be beautiful, the horticulture has to succeed. That's the underlying structure. At King Garden, we bring successful horticulture to world-class landscapes. In King Garden, we enjoy working with a broad range of collaborators, from private properties, institutions, campuses. We work with directors of horticulture, landscape architects, and other designers. All of those individuals have specific goals. Our underlying horticultural expertise help those landscapes and those individuals achieve those goals. We take joy and great pleasure in bringing the full potential to each landscape. The benefit of a landscape reaching its full potential is increased beauty, increased wonder, increased prestige for your landscape, increased ecological benefits. By working with King Garden, both the beauty and the health of the landscape are addressed. By doing that, a long-term successful landscape is achieved. We would love to set up a time to speak to learn about the challenges you're facing in your landscape and how King Garden can partner with you for success.